Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature of Google Chrome: how to open your bookmarks. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate your bookmarks effortlessly. First, let's open the Chrome browser. If you haven't already, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click it. Once the browser is up and running, you're ready to access your bookmarks. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots, also known as the More menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. This menu is where many of Chrome's features are hidden, including our bookmarks. From this drop-down menu, move your cursor down to the Bookmarks option. Hovering over it will expand another submenu that displays all your saved bookmarks for quick access. Here, you can see any folders you've created and individual bookmarks that lead to your favorite websites. If you want to manage or view all your bookmarks more comprehensively, you can select Bookmark Manager from this submenu. This opens up a dedicated space where all your bookmarks are organized. You can easily search for specific bookmarks or even create new folders to keep everything tidy. Now that you know how to open your bookmarks in Google Chrome, remember that having quick access to your favorite sites can significantly enhance your browsing experience. Whether you're saving articles, videos, or essential resources for work or study, organizing them effectively will save you time in the long run. In summary, opening bookmarks in Google Chrome is straightforward. Start by launching the browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, then navigate to Bookmarks. With these steps, you'll always have your favorite sites at your fingertips. Happy browsing!